Hey guys, it's Andrew here, and I am going to be the best husband in the world and make my wife a cup of coffee. However, I'm not just gonna do it the easy way, I'm gonna do it the fun way. What you're not seeing right now is that it's actually about 7 a.m. in Tillamook, Oregon, which is a perfect time to make coffee outside. It is currently 37 degrees. We're gonna start right now with some Governor's Cup Nicaraguan coffee. I got this from the Governor's Cup in Salem, Oregon. It's across the street from the Bookman. You should check them out. It's fantastic stuff. Gonna be making that today in my Kemex. It was actually a wedding gift from some good friends of ours. Got my hot water heater right here. It's just a simple little electric kettle. I've also got my wife's favorite cup. It says, "Good morning, beautiful." So the recipe today calls for about 11 ounces of water, and we're gonna need about 4 tablespoons of this cup coffee. This is already pre-ground. Now you can grind the coffee beans yourself and have a pretty good day with that, but I actually chose a pre-ground because it was just a little easier for myself. We're gonna boil the water here. We got a filter, which is over there, which I forgot to grab. The very first thing you gotta do is make your water. What you're gonna have to do is boil, it says 11 ounces of water, which for me is approximately whatever comes out of this kettle. This, folks, is why I chose to make coffee at 7 o'clock in the morning on a dewy day. Lighting conditions are perfect for steam. Alright folks, we have the hot water made. It is steamy right now and it's super delicious. Next we're going to be making the coffee. So what you're going to want to do is there are several kind of filters available. There are these paper filters. They also have like some aluminum, like almost strainer type of filters that you can use, but today I'm going to use the paper filter. What you're going to want to do is take your filter and you just take the one side of the filter, see? And you put it inside your cup. Take your water and you're gonna pour just a little bit inside the paper. What that's gonna allow you to do is it's going to coat the paper. This is basically how a Chemex filter works. The coffee sits in here, you pour the water on top and it goes down into the reservoir, and that's how you get the fantastic, wonderful life elixir of coffee. The next thing you're going to want to do is actually take all of the water that you just put into here, swirl it around, kind of clean out the Chemex a little bit, and you just pour it all out. This is where the magic happens. You want to take your Governor's Cup coffee, or any coffee that you really choose to use. It really is up to you. I like the Gov Cup because it's a home roasted coffee. They make it in their little coffee shop and it's just really stinking good. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your coffee of choice, and I use tablespoons, and you measure out 4 tablespoons for this cup of coffee. Now I know that there's some people that say that Chemex coffee has to have a certain particular grind. I'm not quite sure if it's a finer grind or if it's a more coarse grind. I know that the coffee here, as you can see, is kind of a coarse or kind of standard grind. This is the kind of grind you would find in your coffee from, say, Winco, your Folgers and things like that. What you'll want to do is take your kettle and you're just going to pour it over the beans, and you're going to want to do that for about a minute, kind of let it seep through, get the beans wet. You're going to make like circular motions. You don't want to pour directly in the center. What you'll notice, if we zoom in here, is the coffee beans are actually bubbling. That bubble is when all the gases and the juices are starting to come out of the coffee, and it's going to become extra super delicious. Then after that, you're going to take the remainder of your water and you're going to make your coffee. Alright guys, as you can tell, the coffee is done. We've used up the ground, and that's kind of what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it super well in this lighting conditions, but it's all used up. Another well-made cup of coffee. Forgot I made this for the wife, not for me. Should probably go give it to her then. Alright guys, so I just delivered the coffee. The wife was very happy and thankful for the home brewed coffee that I just made her. Thank you guys for watching. I encourage you to like and subscribe for more cool videos from the Video Dude. And you guys have a good day.